Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily use the Planner 5D for your home design or whatever you're creating right now. Planner 5D is like really simple tool that you can use, and I believe after watching this video you'll know exactly how to use it. So let's just start here. I'm going to remove my camera now so you can understand everything and see everything. And let's start. So when you're going to access Planner 5D, you're going to have also a link down below in the description for registration. You want to click here New Project. And now you're going to have two options, like multiple options. You can upload a plan. We're going to start from the scratch, but I really recommend choosing the Smart Wizard because it's going to like plan it for you. If you want to find some inspiration, you can use the Smart Wizard, but we're going to start from the scratch now. So when you're going to have it, what will happen is that directly it will create like a room for you. I'm going to delete it now, but I'm going to show you how we can use it. So here, I'm going to simply click on left side, the rooms. And now you can design it, or you can choose from templates here. So let's say I'm going to add this one here. Then I'm going to also add this one here. And what I can do is like, okay, it's enough. And let's say we want to create a room. So I will come here and I will just easily click here. So click where you want to start your wall and have it here. And then you're going to press enter. Same thing here. So I go here, click here, enter, and you got it. I can come again, and let's say I'm going to delete this one. I can create a room like this. So again, I can go here, here, and here, and enter. See, that's how simply you can do it. Now, when you're gonna have it, you can always click here, you can click here, and when you're gonna click here, let's say, you can always, whatever you're gonna click on, you can change the floor here. And you're gonna have plenty of options. Like where you're gonna add and find the rooms. And these are just the walls here, right? So now what we can add when we have it, I can always also use the Smart Wizard here. That's the one that I was recommending to you, that if you want to actually, like they're going to help you with your designs. So that's how it's done, right? Now I can come here and you can always add whatever you need. You can add a windows, arcs, doors. So let's say that we want to add a window. So I can add a window here and you're going to have multiple options for windows. So let's say I'm going to add this window here. You can click on it. You can again change the color. You can change and copy it, like it, or delete it. To actually design and change make it smaller, bigger, you need to have a paid plan with Planner 5D. So when you have the windows, you can have arcs, like here. Then I can add the doors. Let's say this is going to be a room door. So let's say French door, like this. Then I can come here and again doors, and I can have entry doors. So then I can click doors here again and have a stairs, column, garage doors, fence and gates, roofs even. So that's something you can actually add, right? So, and you can then edit it. Now, when you're going to have it, you can have also terraces, all of that. You're going to find the interior. So furniture, as let's say we're going to have the sofas. And you can simply choose between what sofas do you want. So you're going to have like multiple things here. So I can go to furniture, armchairs, rocking chairs, other armchairs, or I can go to sofas. So U-shaped, let's say like this, but it's too bigger. But as you can see, what I can do is to make it like this. okay. And I can always click here and click on 3D and look how it looks on 3D. Yeah, I'm going to make it even bigger, but you see that this is how it works. And then when we go further, let's say I can have a storage, so I can add a dresser, right? I can have bed here. So let's say again, I'm going to make it much bigger. I'm going to delete this thing here, so I can show you everything. Okay, and enter. And again, I'm going to add a door here. So I'm going to, let's say, add a bed. And let's say full queen bed here that I can add here. And you get multiple options for beds also. So then you can have office furniture, tables and chairs, so dining tables, like let's say here. Or you can have a dining table with everything. So when you got that, you can go also with the kitchen and bathroom. So again, I can go to office furniture, desks, and let's say I'm going to have a desk here. Then I can have office chairs and have like office chair here for work. And then you can have also the kitchen. So I can have a cabinets hanging or kitchen cabinets here. So let's say I'm going to like here, then I can have it here. You can always rotate it if you want, change it, manage it, and then I'm going to have also the sink here. So I'm going to simply edit all of these and move them. And then you can go kitchen again, kitchen sets. So you can always add a kitchen set if you need. Bars. And now when you have that, we can go to bathroom. And let's say we're gonna have bathroom, I don't know where. Okay, and let's just let me draw this here. And let me just move it here. And let's say we're gonna have our own bathroom. So we're gonna have the toilet. Let's see here. We can move it like this. Then I can come here again and I can add bathroom again and add baths and showers. And then I can have a wash basins, like let's say double sink. They're all premium, so I can have like this one. See? And this is how you can easily just design your whole home. Nothing really that difficult. Now also, when you're gonna have it, you're gonna have the electrical appliances, right? So what you can have, so I have a lighting here. Floor lamp, right? And I can again take it and paste it here. Then you're gonna have the table lamps, night lights. Now I can click here again and add sockets and switches. And you can add all of that here. Then you're gonna have the video and TV. So that's what you can add. Kitchen appliances. So I can have refrigerators, stove tubes, coffee machines, microwaves. So I can have a refrigerator right here. then I can go even further. So I can have not only kitchen appliances, but I can go with the climate, computer, audio. So I can have computers here and add a notebook right here. Equipment, right? And then you're gonna have, when you have all of these, and when you have the mix here as a decoration, kitchenware, fireplaces, plants, people even, musical instruments, sports, holidays, pets, all of that you can easily add here. Like this, you can come here and add a pool, lighting, outdoor activities, spaceship, furniture. So let's say I can add a pool here, right? And now when I go to 3D, I can easily see how amazing it looks like. And this is just like an introduction to the tutorial on how you can use it, right? And you always can find the new stuff that was added to Planner 5D. But yeah, that's pretty much how we're going to use it. Now you can add lighting. This is the outdoor lighting. When you come here to interior, you're going to have multiple things here that you can add. So I can add, let's say, holidays, pets. And that's how it's possible to done. Even people here, right? And now the finish line is when you come here. And let's say I'm going to add a roof. This made me so laugh. Oh my god. Okay, and I can have a roof here, right? But to actually edit that, you need to have again the premium account if you want to change the dimensions and everything. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, let me down in the comments. But this is just like the introduction guide of Planner 5D, what you can do there. And the horse with the guy there is like such a laughable thing here. And yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye, guys. See ya.